Good morning, guys. So it's about 8 in the morning. Just woke up. We're fixing to do our first official weigh-in. So yeah, let's get down to it. There's the scale. Woo! All right, let's hop on. Whoop. Let's see what it says. Whoop. Oh, 215.6. So that's almost 2 pounds down from yesterday. It's freaking awesome. Now I'm probably gonna see what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I don't know if I'm gonna eat yet, but we'll see. Hey guys, so it's a little later up in the day, and I actually went out and bought some chicken. So I don't know, it's like some chicken fillets or something, and it's breaded, so it should do very good. And I'm gonna make some white rice with it. Well, actually, my grandma's gonna make this meal. I'm gonna make tomorrow's. I also did another thing, like I want ice cream and stuff, but I don't want to like get all the fat in from the ice cream. So what I did, see this? See? Okay, it's in the freezer. So what I did was I grabbed a couple of bananas. We're out, so we only have oranges right now. We got a couple of bananas, milk, and sugar. Put it up all in the blender and mix it up so it's like a banana shake. And then I put it up in the fridge, in the freezer. So now it's banana milkshake ice cream, I guess. I don't know. It's pretty awesome and it tastes delicious. It's absolutely freaking delicious. My grandma's asleep right now, so yeah. While I don't know how to say it, but like I've been eating fruits lately. This morning I really didn't want to eat anything. I wasn't hungry at all. So I decided to eat a couple of fruits. I ate a banana and some apples, just to make sure I'm just to take the hunger away, I guess, or like that little annoying, when you're bored and you want to eat and that. So yeah, so right now we're gonna eat, and in a couple of hours. So and then I got school today, which I'm not looking forward to. I'll probably catch you after that. So I'm finally back from the gym. I went to school and I went to the gym. Today I did back and biceps, so I'm freaking worn out. Like my hand's so tired, like I'm barely holding on to the camera. It's awesome. So, whoa! Today, finally, I can put aside day one of my weight loss journey, which is awesome. Pretty happy. Like I said, today I ate chicken and white rice. Probably for dinner I'm gonna eat some fruit or probably some cereal. I'm not sure yet, but thank you for keeping up with me. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, like me on Facebook. I'll post the links down below. Like I said again, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.